So hello guys, good morning. It's me again, this is Pinoy Tiki. So this is our Meypack string. So the problem here is the operator cannot log in even the password is correct. So we will try this. String 3, 2, 3, 4. So this is the error. So as per support, they said if you log in 3 times mistake, cannot log in. So we will try this method to restore the user administrator. So first, I will turn off the power, 24 volts. And then return. So wait after loading. So next, we will press the blue button, press and start together. So I will try again. So cannot work guys. So otherwise we need to download again the HMI program. So for now I will take my laptop. So guys, again we will try this method. I will turn off at the end. I will disconnect the power supply. So again return. So this one, wait again until fully restart. So now press this one and this one together. After 10 seconds or more than, release together. Then again restart. See? Then we try to log in. See now, admin log in this one. So now guys, okay, now you can adjust the speed. So you can adjust 25, Now okay. Back the setting, format, settings, channel. So now you can adjust like this. So guys, that's all. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It's again Pinoy Tech. Thank you very much.